Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm doing a 2013 bike check. To start off, I'm going to start at the front. I got the black ODI long neck grips. The Shadow Conspiracy bar ends. Very good. I really like them a lot. Stock handlebars. Stock stem. Be ordering a new one pretty soon. Top load. This I got custom forks I got from my old bike. Some nice fit FAF tires, 2.30. Cinema valve cap. Stock hub and rims. Same in the back, stock cinema valve cap. I got KMC heavy duty chain. Looks so sweet, dude. I love it. Stock cranks. Oh yeah. I got IC PC pedals clear. Love them. I got the Shadow Conspiracy Boombas or something like that. See? Love it. I got my Danscom sticker. Loving it. Shout out to them. And if you can see it, I got the Casual BMX sticker up from California. They sent me all the stickers online. Just email them. I'll put a link in the description. So yeah, it's my 2013 bike check. If you have any questions or any comments or anything like that, put in the comments. And yeah, so thanks for watching.